Hello, in this video I'll share how I prepared this egusi soup using almonds. Almonds are termed the healthiest nuts ever. They're highly nutritious, loaded with antioxidants, helps with blood sugar control, and helps lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. If you only have almond nuts where you live, you will need to grind it with a dry mill first. This is quite tedious. You can see me grinding, sieving, and grinding again to get the almond flour. But if you can buy almond flour from the shops, that's more convenient and is much cheaper as well. Here are the rest of the ingredients I'll be using. Beef, crayfish, leafy spinach. If you're in Nigeria, use ugu. You can also use washed bitter leaves and add uziza leaves too if you wish. Ogiri okpe, that's dawa dawa. The almond flour, red palm oil. This brand is quite good. It tastes like pure palm oil and colors my meals well. So I'm quite convinced that this one is not adulterated. Dry catfish. You can add all other meat and fish we use to cook egusi soup. Scotch bonnet pepper, then seasoning cubes and salt. They did not attend this meeting of ingredients. For a change, I want to grill the beef. Grilled beef takes your Nigerian soups to another level. Just that I am often too lazy to do that. I just season with salt, then grill or broil at 150 degrees Celsius, that's 300 Fahrenheit. You want to grill slowly for best results. You don't want the meat to dry out. Turn them around from time to time so they will cook evenly.
One hour later.
The beef is well cooked at this time, so you can actually peel it line by line and enjoy. Ziwaloya like anumpo. Chayo, I want to go back to the village. That's where the life is for real. I grilled for 1 hour or till it looks like this. Then transfer to a pot. I grilled the meat from raw, so I don't have meat stock or broth for the soup yet. So I cook them to get some meat stock. Pour water to cover them and start cooking. While that is cooking, soak the dry fish and when soft, clean very well with a brush. Then break into pieces and debone. After about 7 minutes of boiling, you can see that the water has changed color. That means the juice from the meat is now in the water. Take out the beef. Add the crayfish. and add the almond flour. I have 3 cups here. Stir and leave it to cake. One downside of almond flour is that it does not cake beautifully like egusi. That's why I gave it an 8, or was it a 7 in my Nigerian food ingredients alternative video. And it burns easily too, so keep an eye. In fact, keep 3 eyes on it. Add hot water from time to time. I don't want to bring out my mortar for this tiny ogiri base, so this is how I'm going to do it. Don't forget to stir this all the time. After 10 to 15 minutes, you will see some oil come up to the surface. And top up the water bit by bit. You don't want it watery. Sieving the ogiri. Add the fish. My fish is still quite dry, so I'm adding it at this time. If after cleaning and deboning, yours is very soft, add it later. Then add palm oil. If you are using washed bitter leaves, add it now. Cook for about 7 minutes. Don't stop stirring this often. Don't say I didn't tell you. Add the meat. The pepper, and the spinach. If you are using fresh uziza leaves, add it now as well. Cover and cook for at most 1 minute or till the veggies wilt. You'll see the leaves deflate in your very before. Stir and add salt if necessary. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed this video. If you're on a low-carb diet, eat with any of the low-carb fufu meals. For everyone else, eat with any fufu meal of your choice. Watch my other Nigerian soups recipes videos for more tips. Bye bye. See you soon.